What should someone do if they're injured by a defective medical device? Unfortunately, that question is becoming all too common. But here are 7 tips. First and foremost, try to preserve the medical device. If it was surgically implanted and then removed, get to the hospital or the surgeon as quickly as possible and see that it is kept in a safe place, because that may be the most important evidence in your case. Secondly, report the injury to your doctor, the one who's taking care of you or the one that implanted that device, so that they can provide you with the necessary follow-up medical care, and more importantly, or just as importantly, help other patients who may be subject to that type of injury in the future. Third, report the injury to the FDA. If you go to our website, for example, you'll find out how to report it to the FDA, or you can go directly to the FDA website if you have access to it. Fourth, get the medical care you need. At the end of the day, your health care is more important than any lawsuit you could file. So make sure you follow up with the appropriate treating physicians and get the care you need. Next, be sure and file all your medical care on your medical insurance or Medicare if you have it. At the end of the day, getting the bills paid and getting the appropriate treatment is the most important thing in terms of seeing that you get the proper care. Number 6, check and find out if this device was pre-approved by the FDA. There are 3 types of medical devices on the market: Class 1, Class 2, and Class 3. The class that is approved by the FDA or receives pre-market approval is essentially immune from litigation because it has the government stamp of approval and has been through that approval process. The other types of devices are subject to a lawsuit if they were defective. Number 7, take the time to find out if there's been a multi-district litigation formed for that type of device. If there are a lot of people being injured by that type of device, there should be some type of federally mandated forum for these claims to be filed in. That'll help you proceed in your lawsuit in a less expensive manner and a very efficient manner. When you look at the MDL, or the multi-district litigation, find out who the leaders are in that litigation to see who the lawyers are that have the most experience. At Roberts & Roberts, we have that experience. Give us a call. It costs you nothing. It could mean everything.